Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday. Today we are doing an e.l.f. haul. I don't know what it is about e.l.f. hauls, e.l.f. tutorials, and just the brand e.l.f. in general. You guys seem to love it every single time. I placed an order to e.l.f. when they had their Cyber Monday sale, and I took advantage. I don't remember what the sale was. I'm trying to remember. I don't remember what the sale was, but I got a few things that caught my attention. I didn't get too much things because, I don't know, this year wasn't like a shopping year for me, strangely enough, because Cyber Monday is one of like my favorite times to shop for things that I've been eyeing, that I've been wanting, that I've been needing, just etc., because they have really good deals. But I don't know, this year was just kind of all over the place. I think it was because my mom was here, and so my mind was just like all over the place. Anyway, I'm going to show you guys this e.l.f. haul, some e.l.f. products that I got. So if you guys want to know the goodies, then go ahead and keep on watching. Okay, here we have our little box. We're going to see what we got. Again, I got random things, some things that are new, some things that are not. Really quickly, I'm going to grab this because it's just screaming my name. I picked up this new e.l.f. Glow Dewy Mist with coconut and argan oil, which looks like this. Now, typically, I do not like anything that has to do with like dewy setting mist or dewy foundations because I am such an oily skin girl that anything that has oil in it will more than likely just melt my makeup right off. But I know for the millionth time, my skin has drastically changed and it's become more on the dry side. So I figured, you know what, I'm gonna try this. This was only like $8-10 bucks or something like that, and it looks really cool. Like if you guys can see the inside, it looks like milky. I don't know, it looks really cool. The packaging is really pretty, and it's just it just sounds amazing. This is it says that it hydrates and it boosts glow. I am going to do like a little try on with all the products that I'm hauling for you guys, in case you guys are wondering. Next up, I picked up the Coffee and Cream Highlighter Duo. This is the Heart collab. This is what it looks like. It is so cute. I love the little heart that she added. I'm pretty sure Heart Defensor is a beauty vlogger here on YouTube. And this is the highlight. So it comes, I'm guessing, with two highlights. This is more like on the pink side, and this is a lot more like bronzy. This is probably the shade that I'm going to go for. I'm going to try it to see if I like it though. Ooh! Oh yes, I am excited about this one. I picked up the e.l.f. Illuminating Eye Cream with purified water, cucumber, and green tea. You guys know that I have been having issues with my under eyes. I don't know if you guys have noticed it, but I feel like they've gotten worse. Obviously right now you can't see it too much because I'm wearing makeup, but even then, I don't know, I feel like you can still see my under eyes, that like my bags are really deep, and for some reason I just have a hard time sleeping at night. My brain, it just overthinks things, and I don't know, my brain is just active throughout the night, which is not okay because a girlfriend is trying to sleep. Okay, that took me about 20 years to open, but here we have it. Oh, this thing is tiny. I thought it was going to be a little bit bigger. This is what the Illuminating Eye Cream looks like. This claims to help hydrate and minimize the appearance of dark circles and puffiness for glowing, healthy-looking skin, infused with purified water and vitamin E. I know that vitamin E is amazing for your skin. I myself have seen huge results with vitamin E, but I don't know. I mean, do I have high expectations for this? It is only a few dollars, and it seems like it barely has any product. I think this one was about 10 bucks. I know that their line, like their skincare line, is a little bit more pricey. But yeah, we're gonna try this out, and I hope I really like it. This one I actually tried. This is the Intense Highlight Sponge Brush. Obviously it caught my attention because it says Intense Highlight. The day that I used it, I don't know if I wasn't using it right, but I didn't see like the intense highlight that I was looking for. So I don't know, I'm gonna have to try this again and see if maybe I have to like pat it or swipe. I'm not sure. I have to mess with it a little bit more, but this one seemed pretty interesting. I also picked up 2 of their eye brushes. I'm not sure how new these are. They do say new on the top. Oh my god, okay, I am definitely gonna use this one. This is the Fluffy Eye Blender Brush. I know I'm gonna use this one. It just feels like it would fit perfect in the crease to just really create like a blown out smoky eye. And then the other one that I got is the Detail Crease Brush. I love brushes like these, especially when I want to do like very detailed work. I really like to work with brushes like these that are really small and thin and will get into the crease and create that really sharp line. Do you see how small and precise that is? Yes, that is exactly what I wanted. I'm definitely going to use these in my next tutorial. Okay, what else do we have here? Oh yes, I'm also excited to try this one. This is also part of their new, I don't know, like this collection. I feel like it's a collection, I'm not sure. This is the Glow Primer Stick plus coconut and shea butter. Can I just say the packaging on these are super cute. This like blush rose. Yes, I love it. This one reminds me of their Blur Stick. You guys know that I've done like a few videos duping that one and trying it out. Oh my god, I am so excited for this. I hope it doesn't break me out though. Let me smell it. Ooh. Oh, that smells so good. It literally smells like coconut and shea butter. This Illuminating Coconut and Shea Butter Infused Primer Stick hydrates and preps your skin with a radiant golden shimmer for a smooth lit from within effect. Ooh, e.l.f. lit from within. I picked up 2 powders. These are the Correct and Set eye powder. This is a peach finish, which is for medium tone, and this is the banana one, which is for deep tones. So when I saw these on the e.l.f. website, I was like, huh, they correct and they set? What? So of course, mama had to pick herself 1 or 2. That is literally the tiniest little setting powder I've seen in my life. But I'm gonna try these and see how they work. This is also another product that I've actually been eyeing for a very long time. This is the ALISSA Ashley lip gloss in Nude Rose. I've been wanting this since forever, but it was always sold out, and then when it would come back in stock, I just never got it. So I am excited to try this. Should I try it on? Oh, look at that color. That looks so pretty. Oh my god. This is the most beautiful nude brown gloss that I've ever seen. I am excited to try this. I would wear it right now, but I'm wearing a gloss already. I have one last e.l.f. product, and that is it for my haul. Sorry, that was loud. Oh my god, I am so intrigued by this. This is the Poreless Putty Primer. It's a universal sheer, so any skin tone can use this. This Perfecting Putty Primer smooths the skin and preps it with squalene to help moisture and grip makeup for all day wear. The velvety texture glides over the skin, smoothing over imperfections for a poreless effect. Okay, so it says just to apply a thin little layer and then you should be good. I am really curious to see if this is going to really blur out my pores, and I feel like I am the perfect candidate to try this out because I have really big pores, but I am really good at hiding them. Oh, look at that. If I am correct, I think Stila has a putty like this. If you guys know, let me know, because I feel like I've heard of a putty like that from a high-end brand. And that was it, you guys. I know that wasn't a very long haul, but I wanted to show you guys what was new in the e.l.f. realm. I hope you guys found some products to be interesting. I will definitely be testing these out sometime next week, so make sure that you are A, subscribed, and B, turn on your bell notifications so you do not miss any videos from me. That is it for me, guys. It is late at night. I'm gonna go wash off this makeup. I'm gonna put a mask on. I'm probably gonna make some popcorn, maybe some atole or chocolate abuelita, and watch a movie. So I will see you guys on my next video. Have an amazing weekend. Mwah. Bye.